I am say about unique feeling in temple. Kamakhya temple in Assam is a famous place. People from all over India come to see the temple in this state. In this, the movement of people start from the morning. I came to know from the people that if you leave at 6 in the morning, then you will be able to see the goddess early. So we got ready early in the morning and reached the temple by 6:30. But by that time, a very long row of people had started to walk around it. Was leaving seeing such a long time of courage. We thought it would take 7 to 8 hours in such a long row. It is good to have a special vision. We got into the line of special vision. For too long our lines was not taking the name of moving forward. Then after going ahead, it came to know that the opening hours of the office are at 7:30. We did not benefit from standing in line early. Here too, we had to stand at the ticket window for an hour. I put my partner in line. I started visiting the entire temple because I had a desire to see Kamakhya temple. It was now being fulfilled. Could not leave it in the grid to see it properly. The architecture here was completely different. Cleanup was happening at this time. I found the system of cleaning appropriate in most places. What some people were saying earlier, there was not so much cleanliness. The cockroaches were seen everywhere. People were seen bathing in the pond here, but I did not find the pond clean. Moss was seen in it. The staircase remained as it moved forward. After climbing it, there is a glimpse of Grand Temple. There are many sculptures on the outer walls of the temple. I like to see them. At 7:30, the number of our ticket arrived. Here the ticket was 500 rupees. Never had paid so much money for a human being before. For two people. We had 1,000. After that, we were placed in a hall where we were asked to go to the next place. After half an hour, after that, the third hall was let go. It took about half an hour, then we were asked to walk in line. Our line ran for half an hour moving forward. Standing in this line, we saw several head coming after the animals' roots. There was a sudden noise when they arrived. The head of animals used to come through another door. That door was being opened only at the time of sacrifice. After that, it was closed altogether. We saw several vermilion goats and pigeons roaming the temple. I think that the pigeons were left to worship because there were vermilion on all the pigeons there. We vegetarian people had never seen several head before, so it was a shock to see them. I had not seen any temple priest in red clothes before. Here most of the priests were wearing red clothes, which was very strange at first. Later I saw a priest in a yellow kurta, but there were red spots on his kurta. Later it was understood that these spots are of blood. Seeing that priest, I started to wrinkle and how he is moving around comfortably wearing a kurta with blood stains. The reason why it is important for the other priest to have red clothes is now understood. After this, we got a chance to go to the sanctum. There was plenty of light at all other places, but only two big lamps were burning here. Nothing was visible in his foggy light. Panditji was instructed us properly, but we could not understand anything there. After lotus flower here, warm the water of the vein. Then was something else on the other side that Panditji also tried to convince us. But we could not understand anything except that there were heaps of flour there. We got a chance to stop there peacefully. What I could not understand. What have we come here to see? After seeing it, we saw come other people coming out from that doors and came to know that it is a VIP doors. They can reach the main cave in just minute. We saw a separate line of militaries there. In this way, there were four ways of seeing here. I was carrying Prasad bag in my hand. It had nuts. A monkey swung my bag. I kept looking at her. The little prasad that was left was offered to him. We buy prasad to our satisfaction. After some time, I got a chance to go from here. So surprised to see me. The monkey has left raisin and ate only other nuts. I got very angry at that monkey and wasted all the raisin by eating almonds, cashew and coconut. If you eat then there would be satisfaction. We did not see the offering of meat distributed anywhere. The sacrifice is offered at some other place. Here only the head is worshipped. Separate location of prasad, agarbatti and lamps are made. People were burning agarbatti and lamps there were reverence. Kamakhya temple is one of the 51 Shakti Peeths. Shiva wife Sati's vagina fell here. Ambuvachi festival is celebrated in the month of June. At that time, the door of the temple are closed as Sati is a menstruation. People come from far and wide to join this festival. Some distance away from the temple is the Umananda temple inside the Brahmaputra river. It is said about when Lord Shiva anger became weightless when Vishnuji cut off all the limbs from Shiva's shoulders. Then he started doing penance at Umananda place. At this place, Cupid tried to disturb his penance. Here, Shiva devoured Kamdev. After the anger subsided, he again donated his life there. I felt as if I have reached the mythological period due to the story of Shivji and Sati and being here. I am filled with thrill by finding myself there. I had never felt this way before.